The Spinners tool from the Toolkit for Maths can be used in two distinct ways. That is, for mental arithmetic calculations with various strategies, and for probability investigations. You can have anything from 1 to 4 spinners, and each spinner can have from 2 to 10 sides. So for example, we can have one spinner, and we can set the sides to 2 to show 2, 3, 4, and you can set the number of segments by just dragging the control panel here, or you can type in the number of segments that you want in your spinner, and then you click and spin. And the outputted number will be displayed in the green rectangle, or the spinner triangle will land on the segment. So you can spin one, you can spin two spinners, and again you can set all the sides to 10 if you want. And when you spin it, then you can ask the children to add the two numbers together. So 6 and 4 is 10, and they could be using dry white marker boards. And here, because there's 10 numbers, 1 to 10, we're actually doing two add-ins where the sum of the two add-ins is 20 or less. So you spin, you ask the children to add the two numbers, write it on their dry white marker board, and hold it up for you to see. So again, you can spin anything up to 4 spinners, and each of the spinners can have up to 10 sides, and the numbers displayed on the spinners then is from 1 to 10 sequentially, so 1, 2, 3 all the way around to 10. And again, here, because we have 10 numbers on each, we spin it, the total has to be somewhere between 4 and 40. Again, ask the children to add the 4 numbers. Other ways that you can use it, for example, you can have 2 spinners. You can set the numbers to be random, and you can set minimum numbers, for example, to 21, the maximum number to 49, and then spin, and it'll output two numbers somewhere between 21 and 49. And again, then ask the children to add the two numbers, and you can check what mental arithmetic strategy they are actually using to get their answer. For example, in this case, we have 38 plus 28, so we could go 38 plus 8 is 46, 56, 66. Or you could go 38, 48, 58, and 8 is 66. And again, you can get your pen and write your answer beside it. And there are further ideas underneath the teacher notes area here. Ideas around how to use the spinners and then to apply the spinners within the mathematics program in your classroom setting. One last thing you can do is, for example, you can use them then for probability. So again, you can reduce the number of sides, and you could put this back 1 to 10. So for example, 1 to 10. Again, then you can spin, and you could spin this 20 times to see what's the probability of it landing on blue or landing on green. And because it's divided in two, it's probably a 50-50 split. But there's various ways that you can use the spinners for probability. Again, you can divide it into 3 segments and then spin it 20 times or 30 times, and the children keep tabs and keep scores, and then to work out the probability of it being purple, green or blue. So again, spinners, lots of ways of using these spinners within the mental arithmetic program of your mathematics work, or within the area of probability.